Here I have XIAOMI Mi 9 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the about phone section, and here you have to find this Mi UI version line and tap on it with your finger several times until you get the message "You're now a developer." And now you can find all of these developer options in the additional settings, and here they are. Grant access to them and get to know with them by yourself. You can also disable these options here, and after that they will disappear from the settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.